Tap, and we are back here with another video. Today I will be showing you guys how to achieve this beautiful magenta smoky eye look. But before we get into this video, I want you guys to go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe to this channel, and go ahead and give that post notification bell a ring-a-ding-ding. That way you're notified every time we drop new videos here. We drop new videos here every Tuesday guys, so make sure you are tapping in to find out what video we have on that next upcoming Tuesday. If you do not already, go ahead and follow me on all of my social media platforms. I am on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and obviously YouTube. So guys, there you will find your daily entertainment, zodiac fun, makeup transitions, photo shoots, just a whole lot of art and creating. So guys, if you don't want to miss out on the fun, make sure you follow those pages now. Without further ado, let's get into this video. Alright guys, so we're going to go ahead and get started with this makeup look. I am trying to find my brow pencil. I'm going to go ahead and get started with my eyebrows using my brown eyeliner, and we're just going to go in our brows and do the shape and the shading as deep as we like, and then I'm going to follow that up with my e.l.f. Camo Concealer, and I will be using shade medium beige because I want to make it nice and light, and then we're going to go ahead and get that magenta going, some sparkles going. Yeah, so let's hop right on. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with my Jaclyn Hill palette. This is the volume 2 palette from Morphe. And I'm going to go in with this black here in the corner. It's called Temptress. And I'm going to create my little cut crease. I'm not going to put too much black. I don't want it to be like super crazy dark. But I'm just going to put a little bit, and then we're going to go ahead and top it off with a little bit of that purple right there. And just kind of continue our shadow and see how bright and bold I want to get it. Alright guys, now we're going to go back in with our concealer. So we put a little bit on our hand there. And I'm going to get my concealer brush. And we're going to go ahead and create this cut crease, guys. I'm going to go in with my eyelash glue. It's clear. I'm going to go in all over my eyelid. That way we can use that and put our glitter on our entire cut crease. And yeah, because y'all, it's about to get real shiny up in her. Alright, so I think I want to smoke out the back end, and then under here, my waterline area, I want that pink tint to be around that as well. So I'll put some black first, and then just kind of blend that to the rest of the cut crease. And then I did go in with the darker purple, something more magenta. I'll tell y'all the name of that shade in a second, because we're gonna grab just a teeny bit of that as well. So I just gonna put that on the back end. And the name of that other shade I use is called Stay True. It's the one right here on the corner. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead and blend these eyes out, and then put on some black liner on the waterline. I'm gonna go in with my LA Girl concealer, and like I said, the orange is good for any dark spot areas. If you have red blemishes or anything like that, use green. Green cancels out the red, guys. But yes, now I'm just taking a beauty blender and beating that in over those darker areas that I feel. And right after I'm done with that, I'm going to go in with my foundation. And we just pat. We don't ever rub. We just pat everything that we put on as far as the face. For real, for real. All right. And I do use the LA Girl Pro Matte Foundation. This is shade 112. All right, guys, now I'm going to go in with my concealer powder. I mean, not concealer powder, my contour powder. Is from the same line from L'Oreal Paris, and we're gonna go in and contour. Now I'm going to go in with my concealer. As soon as I can find it, here it is. Okay, so I'm gonna go on with my concealer, the same one I use around my brows and my eyelids. And I'm just going to go ahead and conceal and use my beauty blender to blend out how I want to blend it. And with my blush, and this is by e.l.f. This is just a regular infused blush, and then we're going to go and follow that up with our Fenty Beauty Water Brat shade. Y'all, this is like a really pretty purpley shimmery type of highlight. I think it's gonna go perfect with this look. So we're gonna go ahead and finish out this base with our blush and our highlight, and then we're gonna get back to doing a little detailing on the eyes. Not a whole lot, but y'all see it's coming together. It's coming together. This purple is really, really popping. Now we're gonna go in with some lip liner. I'm just taking my basic brown and just lining my lips, and then I'm gonna just pick a shade. I'm not sure what shade I want to use. We're gonna see, because I might mix something. We're gonna see though. I'm gonna take a little bit of that little magenta eyeshadow, the what is that called? Stay True. I'm gonna take it along underneath here, just because I don't want it so just black. Kind of want to frame that pink tint. And then once I'm done with this, we're gonna go ahead and pop these lashes on, and I'm gonna give you guys the big reveal. I'm just gonna put that powder, this color on there. Just like that. To kind of blend and fade into that little pink color. Is the eyelash glue I'm going to use, guys. So, and I typically just take a little eyeshadow wand or a spatula or something like this, and I just put a little, dip it into the glue and put a little bit on the lash, because y'all, I don't really want this. I don't recommend squeezing, because a whole lot of glue can come out and it's just a disaster at that point. So yes, I recommend using something to dispense it out on if your lash glue does not have a brush or something. Alrighty guys, and here is our finished look. I'm loving this magenta, y'all. This is really popping. It's cute. I'm feeling the smoky eye. The hair goes with it. Everything just looks perfect. So if you like this video, go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to follow me on all my social media pages. Bye.